Deepak Chopra said miracles happen every day, not just in remote country villages or at holy sites halfway across the globe, but here, in our own lives. Miracles are amazing and wonderful occurrences. Expect miracles, and we just might be happily surprised. We should always expect great things and stop expecting the worst in every situation. And to expect miracles, we must believe in ourselves and maintain our positive outlook. As staying positive is a habit, just apply positive thinking daily, and you will attract all good and happiness to yourself. Do not wait for happiness to come your way. Create happiness. It is easy to be happy. Just decide to be happy. Abraham Lincoln once said, "Most folks are about as happy as they make up their minds to be," meaning most people for most of the time can decide how happy or troubled, how bright or boring they want to be. There are many ways by which you can choose to be happy. However, the best way is to show gratitude. We have so much to be thankful for. Show gratitude to the people in your life who have touched you, inspired you, and taught you the important lessons in life. Say thank you. Remember birthdays or send flowers to those we are grateful to. Most importantly, tell your friends and family how important they are to you. Promote happiness by performing a daily gratitude exercise by listing a few things that make you grateful. This will increase the positive flow and will in turn influence others to be grateful too. There will be difficult days that are full of obstacles, trauma, and challenges. During these times, think of those who have taught you how to enjoy life. Expect miracles. Learn to count your blessings. Listing your blessings will magnify your positive attitude and emotions. When anyone starts expecting a miracle, they become so conditioned that they begin actually making miracles happen. They get on the miracle wavelength. Abilities become positively focused rather than negatively. Just apply what you've learned about a positive attitude and avoid negativity by all means. Be your own positive, creative self and have fun. Your attitude will draw other people to you like a moth to a flame. The law of attraction is activated positively, and any positive thinker with clear goals for good will activate the world around him positively. By spending your days expecting miraculous things to happen, thinking in your mind that miracles will start to occur, you actually bring them into your life. Our thoughts generate our actions, and our actions eventually become the reality that we live out. You are focusing on the positive rather than the negative. It's similar to abundance. You begin to draw it towards you instead of chasing it away. You have more emotional strength available to you than you ever dreamed possible. Set your goals and take positive actions to get you where you want to go. Each time you accomplish a step towards a goal, pat yourself on the back. Congratulate yourself. Your self-esteem will improve and you'll strive even harder towards your dreams. Keep your dreams alive in your mind. Give yourself time and space to grow and learn. Believe in your own capabilities and be happy. Always see yourself succeeding at whatever that dream happens to be. There will be struggles, but always picture a successful outcome. Never forget that miracles happen every day. Visit Dreams for Prosperity Relaxation Music on YouTube and Facebook for free tools you can download to help your miracles happen.